Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup looks, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, and pretty much anything that is related to makeup. And what we're doing today is the November Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription. They have the regular box. For $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products in it. And it has been one of my favorite boxes since the beginning. They do also have the Boxy Premium that you get, I'm going to say 6 products. The website does say 6 to 8, but I'm going to say 6 because I've always received 6. And it is $35 a month. And then they do have the Boxy Luxe, which is a bigger box. And you get around 8-9 products in it. It's $50 every 3 months. Okay. So this is one of my favorite subscriptions. And they always send like really good stuff. And it's always like higher end luxury brands. You never really get, I've never got no like drugstore brands in here. Yeah. And they actually lost my package this month. FedEx did. They finally found it. Got it to me 3 days late. But it is, or no, I was supposed to get it Friday, Thursday, Friday, something like that. And I finally got it today, and it's Monday. So, as with the premium and the base box, some people does get confused. The base box will always be red. The premium will always be blue on the inside. And here is what it looks like. I don't even know what Boxy was sending this month. I haven't looked at their IG. I haven't done, like, look at nothing of theirs. Here is their card. I did get Bryuration number 42. And it's the theme this month is Harvest. And we did get a 25% coupon off Natasha Denona, which I love her makeup. And I got a palette. It is called Peak Palette. It's got 1 unit. Right here it is. And it is Natasha Denona. It's a 5 eyeshadow. It's called Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. Okay. I do like it. It's like really good for fall. Her eyeshadows are very creamy. They normally go on like really good. There's the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. They do have names. And there is a really beautiful shimmer. Let me look at the back. I have to look at the back for the names. The first one is called 180 centimeters. No. Japster. Oh my God. Tongue tied. Japster. I forget. Thorn. And Hera and Shine. I do like that. Right now, for this time of the year, it is perfect. Okay. We got by Dr. Brandt a antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract. This is a 3.4 milliliters, which is 100 flow ounces. I don't know what's wrong. 100 milliliters. So it is a spray toner. I have some spray toners, and I do like them. The lid went flying. Let's see how it sprays. So it sprays like really, really good. And it doesn't really like have no overpowering smell or anything like that I can smell of. And then Promo Primer. So this is a long wear sticky pigment base. It is 8 milliliters. And what else? About Alamar Cosmetics. I absolutely love Alamar Cosmetics. They make some of my what was that? I want to think Havana, but she came out with, and I know her name and I cannot think of it. My mind is like noodles or something. I cannot think of it. I watch her all the time on the IG channel. Absolutely love her. She makes some really incredible stuff, but she's got a couple eyeshadow palettes that I absolutely love, and a lip gloss that I'm crazy about. Right there it is. Let's put it like up here. It's very sticky. It feels really, really good. So I do like that. Alamar Cosmetics. What is her name? That is like killing me now. So it is called Alamar Cosmetics. I cannot think of her name. I can see her perfectly, but cannot think of her name. It is. Let me have a palette out. But she does make some really incredible makeup. She's got lashes. The palettes, we actually got one of the palettes. Let me see. First time I tried it was in, her makeup was in Boxycharm. I got that palette that I'm trying to think about. And then I've got some lip glosses, some lip liners. I don't know. Blush palette. I love. Okay. Let's go ahead and talk about this. This is by Benefit Cosmetics. It's Gimme Brow. This is Brow Mobilizing Fiber Gel. We're getting 3.0 grams. Net weight is 0.1 flow ounces. You're supposed to get 94% people said brows look visibly thicker. Thin, simple brows, fuller looking now. I have tried this. It's really good. I think it's like my favorite brow gel. Right here it is. I didn't put no brow gel on today. I used a pomade, which my brows started off like this thick. Concealed them down, and I don't know. Today was not a brow day for me. But here's the component. I absolutely love this gel. I got number 4. And here it is. What color is it? All I know is it's number 4. Okay. Okay. Like, you can tell the difference in this brow. Like, this one's bigger, fuller. This brow looks itty bitty. And it just makes, like, a big, big difference. And it's so easy to put on. And you can get that, like, you can make them, like, slick-looking brows. Or you can make them look like they're fluffy. Just pretty much, like, whatever you want to do. This will, like, it does everything like I want, like, you know, if you just fill my brows in, we'd be all right. I don't know. I think we got carried away and took too much off. Okay, but I love that stuff. Okay, so the brows look better. And this is my half cake. I already know what it is. And we are getting 3 lips. It's called Half Cake Game Changer. Babe, test it. Vegan approved. It's supposed to look like a little card. Okay, like a box of card. I don't know what colors are in here. Here they are. Here's what, they're really cute containers. I do not have this one. It is number 92. Low Key. And theme song. I'm trying to debate on if I want to swatch these or not. I'll tell you what I think we're going to do. I already have, I'm going to do one giveaway that I just filmed. But I have a lot of lipsticks and don't need these. So what we're going to do is, let me toss that and toss that. What we're going to do is have I guess we're going to have 2 giveaways going. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm going to leave them for you guys. So one of you lucky people will win this. And what you got to do is be a subscriber, like this video, and make a comment down below. And I will pick a winner. I'll let it run for the 2 weeks. So I guess both giveaways probably will run out like the same time. So I don't have a calendar with me at this given moment. So I will have to look. I know it's like today is the 16th. But let me see. I'll probably put this video up tonight. Then the other one will go up tomorrow, which is my Ipsy Glen bag. So let me see. Probably like I'm going to let it run around 2 weeks. Somewhere around like the 1st of the month, like between the 1st, 3rd, I'll I think it'll be like 2 weeks. I will announce the winner and let you guys know, or I will contact the winner. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Normally, I contact the winner and just send it on out to them. Actually, I've watched 2 videos of people unboxing things that I have sent out to them by them winning. So I don't know how I'm going to do this time. I've had really bad luck announcing winners and then they not get like, I've even wrote some people and they're not like, answer me back. But when I said you were a winner, you won the giveaway, they never did write me back. But that's okay. I don't know if I'm going to announce it. I might just make a video, announce both winners at the same time. I don't know. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I need to figure that out. I will just announce the winner when the time is up. But I appreciate you guys. I will put the rules down for the giveaway down below. I do appreciate you guys, though. This is why I like to give back to you guys, because without you guys, I'm really going to just be sitting here talking to myself in front of a camera. But I do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stick around. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.